Hey there,
welcome back
in
to our
this video
channel.
I'm going to walk you through on how to log into Justworks. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged in no time.
All you gotta do is follow
First thing
along
first,
and you'll be
open up
logged
your
into your
preferred web
JLL
browser.
account.
I prefer
First thing
Google
first,
Chrome,
open
so
up your
let's
preferred
tap
web browser.
there. At the
I
very
prefer
top you
Google
can see
Chrome,
a
let's
search
tap on
bar.
that.
Let's tap there
And at the
and
very
let's
top
type
you can
in
see a search bar. Let's
Justworks
tap there
logins.
and
It's
let's
going to
type
log in
in
and hit enter.
JLL
And here make sure you tap into the official site, which is
now
this
make sure
one.
you tap into the official
Tap
site.
there, it may take a while. And there you are, you'll be greeted with your Justworks login page. Now all you gotta do is fill in those empty fields. You have to type in your email.
You can type in your password. And if you want this site to remember your user ID, you can tap in the square box and it will be marked
in your password,
or you can leave it like that. Let's leave it like that for
also,
now.
if you've forgotten your
And at the
password,
second box you can see it's written like I'm a client of JLL and I'm using my own corporate credentials to access JLL applications. So if you don't want any issue and if you want this site to
hope this video was
using
helpful.
your
If you
own
have
corporate
any
credentials
confusion
like you want
regarding this video,
like that, you can
please
tap
do
in
not
there
hesitate
and
feel free to
there
comment
comes
in
the
the
option
comment
of
section
single
down
sign
below.
on.
We'll be more than happy to help
You
you.
can do like that.
That's it for
or
today's
let's leave it
video.
like that
Thank
for
you. We'll see you in the
now,
next
and
video.
that's it.